All right, now amid all the Tirupati Laddu controversy, we're looking at Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh who just reached Tirupati Temple. The Andhra Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister is all set to head to Tirumala Temple. He will be received by over 2 lakh people is what is touted. The Tirumala Temple purification process begins today. Janasena Chief Pawan Kalyan to be visiting Tirupati Temple today, and nearly 2 lakh people are touted to attend this purification process. Big development in this case, with the controversy really casting a shadow on the purity of the temple. We're looking at the Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Pawan Kalyan, arriving in just a little while. He's going to be carrying out a purification process. Apurva, who's on the ground, bringing us more on that story. Apurva, take us through what exactly is this purification process that we are told Pawan Kalyan will be carrying out with nearly 2 lakh people.
Nabila, in fact, this is the purification. He's taken on a yatra for 11 days there. We're here at Alapiri, which is, the footsteps that leads to Tirumala. Right behind me, you can see the police bandobast that has been set in place there. Pawan Kalyan, the Andhra Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister, has just now reached here to Alapiri, from where he will be walking 3,550 steps to Tirumala from here, from Alapiri, which is the point that you can see. From these steps, he will start ahead to Tirumala, by these steps as well. Behind me, you can see the kind of police bandobast that has been set in place for Pawan Kalyan, who's all set to arrive here. Public who have arrived here trying to catch a glimpse of Pawan Kalyan have all, been monitored here. In fact, police have been deployed here in and around to ensure that there is no kind of gatherings that are taking place over here, any kind of public gatherings to take place. In fact, Pawan Kalyan's convoy is just, all set to arrive here now, and you can see, that these kind of preparations are going on. Nabila, this will mark the 10th day of his yatra there that he is taking place. Tomorrow is the 11th day of the yatra that he is taking, Prayashchitta Yatra, which means atonement yatra, and this is the yatra that he has been taking for the last 10 days. And today, we are getting to see that the Deputy Chief Minister there, Pawan Kalyan, is all set to arrive here at Alapiri. Tomorrow, along with his family, he will be going for an early morning darshan at Tirumala, where he will go ahead and complete his Prayashchitta Yatra, which is the atonement yatra that he has taken. The last 11 days, it had been kind of, penance that Pawan Kalyan had taken, where he visited temple after temple and asked for atonement after the Tirupati Tirumala Prasadam issue had broken out. He has also urged that at the center level there be a national Sanatana Dharma board that also be constituted to preserve the sentiments of the public, and most importantly to preserve these kind of incidents from taking place. Yet again, we're seeing that the Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan is all set to arrive here in just a couple of minutes. Vehicles, his convoy has also arrived here as well. From here to Tirumala, he will be taking forth, the Padayatra there. That's the point that you can see, Tirumala footpath starting point, and it says from this very point, right from here 0 kilometers to about 15 kilometers there atop Tirumala. That is roughly around 3,550 steps that he will be walking from this point to Tirumala. Nabila.
All right. Apurva, thanks very much. We're looking at Pawan Kalyan, who's going to be arriving at the temple anytime now.